I just chatted with Gregg Orr Extreme, 4411 North State Line Avenue, Texarkana, Texas. Y'all come by and look at this beast right here. This is a big old truck, 16 model Ram, 1500 crew cab, 4-wheel drive. This truck's sitting on like 7 inches of lift. Running some 37-inch Toyo RTs, Hemi V8, tinted windows, pocket fender flares, bed liner, dual exhaust, backup sensors, factory tow package. Just a big old truck. Beautiful black leather interior. Check those out. We got headrest DVDs on both sides. Full length console, buckets up front. 12,934 miles. Real super low miles. Touchscreen radio with a backup camera. Automatic climate control. Integrated trailer brake. Heated seats, heating steering wheel. Cooled seats. Beautiful custom leather interior. Power sliding back glass. Very sweet truck. Old Hemi flat, get it. Y'all come check this rig out. Really cool truck, setting up high and wide. Put you a Gregg Orr Extreme sticker on it. Come see us. We're across the street from Albertsons on State Line. Give us a call at 903-794-1083 or check us out on the web, www.greggorextreme.com. Y'all have a great day.